Hey guys, welcome back to D Nation. Today, I'm going to be doing a quick review for you on this product called the Magicmount Pro. This is a product used for mounting your phone in your car for when vlogging while driving. It is absolutely unsafe to vlog holding your phone like this. So this product was purchased from Target for $29.99. I used it today and it worked great. I'm just gonna run you through some of the very simple features of this product, and then we'll quickly run downstairs to the car so that I can show you how it mounted. It's very easy to use. It comes with all of the things that you need in here. So this is what the product looks like. It's called the Magicmount Pro Wind Dash. This little item here, it can actually mount either on the windshield of your car or on the dashboard of the car. This surface is a magnet surface, and on the bottom here is a suction cup. It's a little sticky. I already pulled the little protective covering off of it, and basically once you pull the covering off, you drop a little bit of water on there so that it enhances the ability to suction, and then it mounts right onto your dashboard or onto your windshield. This portion rotates. So it turns left, right, up, down, all right? The way that you mount your phone to the backing right here is in the bottom portion of this box. Let's take this out. Comes with an adhesive backing. This is a clear one, and then there's a black one. It's a magnet, basically, okay? You can choose to change the rim from silver or chrome to black. It's up to you. It really didn't make a difference to me. It was just all about being safe and being able to vlog while driving without holding a device in your hand. So this little backing, you simply peel it off. You clean the surface of the phone. It comes with a little wipe that you clean the back of your phone and you stick it on here. Now when you're using your phone at any time to vlog, avoid holding your phone this way. When you hold your phone this way and then you upload onto YT or onto YouTube, you have limited vision of your screen. YouTube is designed to upload videos that are horizontal. And when you put a vertical picture on the screen, you end up with a lot of blank space. And it's just not aesthetically pleasing to the viewer. So if you turn your phone this way, the video will be captured horizontally, and then when you upload onto YouTube, the picture will fill the screen. Much more visually pleasing for your viewers. It's as simple as this. You see that? It's a pretty strong magnet. It just snaps. Ta-da! So we're gonna go on downstairs to the car, and I'm gonna show you how this easily mounts right onto the dashboard. I preferred it on the dashboard and not on the windshield. So again, it's a pretty simple device that comes with two parts that you put together and you mount in your car. So let's go on downstairs and take a quick look at what this looks like. So today, I simply wet the bottom. There's a little clip on the back of the mount, and I'm mounting this right here, like that. It's very sturdy. You can turn the phone all around. So let's try it out, why don't we? And there we go. Hey guys, so I'm just showing you how this mount works and makes it safe for you to video as you're driving. Video hands-free. And then it simply pops off. It's as simple as that. And it comes right off. It's very sturdy. This video was not a sponsored video, but I highly recommend using the Magicmount Pro for safe vlogging while driving. The product comes with two very simple parts, the mounting tool and the magnet, which goes onto the back of your cell phone. It fits several different cell phones. The phone that I use is an iPhone Plus. I believe it's a 7 Plus. So it works very well. I will put a more extensive description in the description box below. I found this particular one at our local Target. I highly recommend that you do safe vlogging by getting yourself some type of instrument that can mount your phone so that you can do hands-free vlogging. Again, this one was a mere $29.99 from Target. I enjoyed doing this. Thank you for tuning in for this review from D Nation. Please comment down below if there are any other products that you're interested in having me review. If I find any good buys, I'll be sure to come right back and make another quick review just for you, our lovely D Nation fan members. So give me a big thumbs up and leave a comment. Mommy Drew saying B to the Y. Bye.